Hello everyone, I invite you to every Friday cryptocurrency review. Let's start by checking the current situation on the BTC pair to USDT, taking into account the one-day interval. First, we will use the yellow line to mark the uptrend line that the price is moving at the moment. Locally, we can mark the downtrend channel with blue lines. Now we can move on to marking the places of support in case of returning to the correction. And here we see that the first support is at $26,480, which the price is currently based on. Then we have the first strong support at $25,261, which held the price in the recent rebound. Then the third support at $24,023, and then the very strong support at $24,023, $22,350. Looking the other way, in a similar way, using the fib retracement tool, we can determine the places of resistance. First, we will mark a very strong resistance zone from $28,665 to $29,463. Only when the price breaks it will we move towards the resistance at $30,502, and then when the price breaks it, it will open the way towards the resistance at $33,426. Please note the CHOP index, which indicates that there is still a lot of energy for the upcoming moves. The MACD indicator indicates a return to the downtrend. While the RSI is moving in the lower part of the range, but with room for the price to go a little lower. As the second chart in today's review, we'll be looking at ETH versus USDT on a one-day time frame. First of all, with the help of yellow lines, we will mark the uptrend channel in which the price is currently moving at its lower border. Now let's move on to marking the places of support. We will use the fib retracement tool to mark the support. And as you can see, the first support that is currently holding the price is $1,851. Then we have a support zone from $1,687 to $1,555. However, when the price drops below this zone, we can see a drop around the strong support at $1,423. Looking the other way, we can also mark the places where the price should encounter resistance on the way to increases. And here we have the first very strong resistance at the price of $1,916, from which the price bounced several times. The next resistance is at the price of $2,230, and then the third resistance at the price of $2,553. When we turn on the EMA cross 200, we can see that they indicate an uptrend. The CHOP index indicates that we have a lot of energy for the upcoming move. The MACD indicator indicates the transition to a downtrend. On the other hand, the RSI is moving around the middle of the range, which makes it difficult to clearly determine the upcoming price direction. As the third one, we will check the FTM chart also on a one-day timeframe. At the beginning, with the help of yellow lines, we will mark the downtrend channel in which the price is moving at its lower limit. As we can see, the price has fallen below the EMA cross 200 line. The place where the price falls below this line is a confirmation of going into a strong downtrend, as in this situation. Now let's move on to marking the support points for the price in a situation where the correction will continue to deepen and we see that the price is in front of a very strong support at 26 cents. However, if the support is broken, we can see a drop to the next support at $17. Looking the other way, we can similarly determine the places of resistance that the price has to face. And here we see that the first significant resistance is at 37 cents. Then we have second resistance at 42 cents. Then there is a strong resistance zone from 46 cents to 50 cents. The CHOP index indicates that the energy is slowly gathering strength. The MACD remains in a downward trend but is close to a trend change. While the RSI has been moving at the lower end of the range for some time, which may indicate the approaching end of the current correction in the coming days. The last one in today's chart is the DOT to USDT chart on a one-day interval. First, using the yellow line marked with the uptrend line from which the price broke down, and then we move in the channel marked with blue lines from which the price also goes down. When we turn on the EMA cross 200, we can see that we are below this line as to the actual downtrend. While with the EMA cross 10 and 30, the downtrend is also visible. Going further, we can move on to marking the place of support in a situation when we increase the correction. Here you go, very strong support is at $4.98. If the support doesn't hold the price, we can see a drop in the area and very strong support at $4.26. Watching the other side of the picture, that the price has rebounded off the $5.53 resistance, which is still the first resistance for the price. Then we have the second resistance at $5.91. Then the third resistance at $6.22. Then the price of the change in the direction of return at the level of $6.53. Please enter the CHOP index, which shows that there is still energy for the next move. MACD shows that you are on the verge of returning to the downtrend. While on the RSI, we have a rebound, and we are approaching the border of the border, which may also indicate that a correction is coming till the end. Technical analysis is provided by a third party, and for informational purposes only. It does not reflect the views of CryptoDaily, nor is it intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.